So, good afternoon mga sano. Ngayon papunta tayo ng magsisindi tayo ng candle kasi birthday natin mga sano. So, birthday ni Sano. It's my birthday mga sano. So, mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aking channel, please mag-subscribe kayo. Support my channel mga sano.
Just keep looking for it there.
There, just keep looking for my channel in YouTube. So, pupunta tayo ng Santo Niño Parish, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. So, papunta tayo mga sano.
Sure.
How about babe? What will you say?
Like, subscribe our channel.
Okay, yon, subscribe daw mga sano. So maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe na at sa mga nag-view ng mga video ko. So kung mag-view kayo, please naman i-subscribe nyo din. So papunta tayo ng church.
Can you mute the sound, please?
Oh man. So papunta tayo mga sano ng simbahan. Magsisindi lang tayo.
Yeah.
Alog naman yan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Barangay Mactan, babe. It's here. Mactan New Town is here. Ayan.
Are we almost there?
Yes.
Is it near our house?
Yeah, it's near.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Just one barangay away.
One barangay.
Yeah, dito tayo mga sano. Sa Santo Niño de Cebu, Mactan Parish.
Paris?
Siguro may mass na pero magsisindi lang tayo ng candle mga sano.
Someone's face shield.
Because it's my birthday.
What did it say, Papa?
It's my birthday.
Why, man?
Say why man? It's November 29 man.
Here, do you want some face shield?
So dyan tayo magsisindi mga sano.
Mommy, the prayer is almost
So ito
done.
yung church. So magsisindi lang tayo. This is Santo Niño de Cebu, Mactan Parish.
We are done.
Yeah, we're done.
So we will come back in.
In?
Are we gonna come back next time?
Next time. So we're going out. So maluwag ngayon dahil may yung misa. Yung mass limited. Hindi siya puno mga sano. So yan yung Mactan Barangay Hall. Tsaka,
Papa, look at that, another one, that place.
yeah, what place?
I don't know what's that on
It's
the
Barangay Hall.
Is it a church or not?
No, it's not church. It's a barangay hall for barangay officials.
What did they do? What did they do there?
They're having meeting.
And what's that sound?
So, side trip muna tayo mga sano. Ikot ko kayo sa
Hey, guys.
Mactan New Town.
Today we're going to here in Mactan.
Yeah.
There's only one.
Yeah.
There's only one word.
Mactan New Town. So, may mga kondo rin dito mga sano at sa mga
New Town.
offices.
So look at that.
Nandyan si ano. Sige. Mayroon din dito eh. May supermarket eh. Alam ko eh. Grocery store kumbaga. Ayan.
So,
May mga coffee shop din dito.
Taiwan coffee shop, but there's milk tea, I think. So,
Ayun, Robinson's Easy Mart pala.
wow, that's so bigger. It looks like a hotel.
Remember nung ano pa, no? Pa-start pa lang ng pandemic, no?
Dito tayo
I
nag-grocery.
Diyan tayo nag-grocery, ang haba ng pila. So hanggang doon sa building na yun mga no? Ito yung Mactan New Town. So kumbaga IT park na rin to. Kasi may condo, may ano ba nga ba yung tawag
Why are
ng
we allowed to? Why
Subway.
are we allowed to?
Savoy.
Papa,
Hotel.
why are we allowed
Savoy
to turn
Hotel.
U-turn
Tapos
like
yung ano ba,
this?
yung uso
Papa,
na ngayon,
why
call
are we
center ba?
allowed to
Call
turn
center yun.
U-turn like this?
Meron dito.
That's how we will go back to the road.
So exit tayo mga sano. Nikot ko lang kayo sandali.
Park, let's park.
Saka yung ano, bandang right is school yun, di ba? Sabi nila affiliated ng Lasal. Well, hindi ako naniwala. Ayun, the New Town School. Yeah, never heard. Pero it's school siya, maganda. International school din.
Mactan Alfresco.
Ayun, Mactan Alfresco. So dati, ganda dyan.
Let's go.
Ay, maganda rin naman ngayon. Kaso nga lang, wala pa masyadong
Mommy, I want to go
nag-operate
there.
o function ng
I want
mga
to go there, mommy. I want to
restaurant.
Go.
You want to go there?
Yeah.
Not now because they're not open.
How long they will be open?
That's a very good question.
What?
Because
Is it gonna be open?
no, not yet for sure, babe.
But there's a jeep lechon
What lechon?
in the restaurant.
There's a old jeep.
Yeah.
It's a design. It's a
wow.
decoration like that.
They put it in the top.
So we're going to ano na? We're going to supermarket na mga sano. So hanggang dito na siguro yung video ko.
Kamako. Guys, today we're going to visit in supermarket.
Why? Okay, mga sano, yun, nasabi na ni Sanong liit. So papunta na kami ng supermarket mga sano, galing tayo ng church na birthday ko nga again. So nagsindi lang tayo mga sano. At hindi pa naman kami nag-promise na babalik kami ng church magsimba kasi alam niyo na. So sorry God. So maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin.
Kamako supermarket.
Saka huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe. Subscribe. And i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell button para lagi kayong notified.
Ikapatan.
So thank you again.
Mega
Please subscribe.
Your
Have a nice day. Happy Sunday. And to God be the glory.
We're gonna